and welcome everyone. And this is going to show you here how you open a Fig file on Figma. First, what you're gonna do is about to go to open a Figma desktop to drag a Fig into Windows. But how you drag a Fig? You gonna start to go here, file, and then okay, we send here to see the FIG Figma in Windows. Now we're gonna start to open just a design. Okay, so really that is still need something to be updated on Figma because we cannot import for the new file. Maybe you gonna see here something that it helps us to import. So if I type import here really, once you click on import over here, you will find anything that you're gonna import on PC and you add it. Okay, so if you type it import on here, for example, with a certain image, you control C and then control V. And this is really how it works when you see that.